Getting a copy of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to start reading, to an extent, is a boring thing. I mean, you hear chapters, sections, subsections, and all that, and you don't know where to start. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 key provisions of the Constitution that will make sense to you. You will need them in your daily life. Number 1, supremacy of the Constitution. If you look at Section 1 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, it talks about the Constitution as being the grand norm. The 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is the grand norm and is supreme. It says that any law in this country that is not consistent with the provisions of this constitution, that law is to the extent of its inconsistency null and void, including the laws your father is setting in your family right now. If your father is setting any law within your family and that law is not consistent with the provisions of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that your father's law in your family is null and void. The laws in your community, you know, those community laws, the laws they set up, if that law is not consistent with the provisions of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that law is null and void. This is not the only law in Nigeria. There are a lot of laws, but any of the laws that has inconsistency with the provisions of this constitution becomes supreme, is the grand norm. So the supremacy of the Constitution is one thing you must know. So in that organization, while trying to set, lay down rules and all that, consider the grand norm. If anybody take up any of those your laws that is not consistent with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the one I'm holding here, that your own becomes inferior, while this one becomes superior. That is the supremacy of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Quickly, number 2, separation of powers. Separation of powers, you can see in the Section 4, Section 5, Section 6 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The powers are being shared among the legislatures, the executive, and the judiciary. The executive is headed by the president. The legislature has to do with the House of Representatives and the Senate, that is the National Assembly, the lawmakers, while the judiciary is the court that interprets the law and punishes offenders. In the next video, I will be sharing with you provision number 3, provision number 4, and provision number 5. You don't want to miss the next video. Get a copy of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and start reading. It's very important. If you have a Bible, you have a Quran, you will need to have the law of Nigeria. Very important to you. Kindly share this video to all social media platforms and to at least 10 of your WhatsApp contacts. And most importantly, make sure you are reading. God bless you and bye for now.